Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's see how to draw the bacteriophage diagram, which is one of the important diagrams for the biology students in first PU. So let's get started. Firstly, let's draw a cylinder of height 3 cm and diameter 2 cm. After that, I am marking few points in this video. So mark the points in the same place in your sheet of paper. Then join them as I am doing in the video. After joining the lines, the diagram would look something like this. So mark the points correctly and join them. So now with these instructions, let's start drawing it on the paper. Now draw the remaining lines. Coming to the sheath and the collar part, let's continue with a oval followed by a tiny cylinder, then again a oval, then an elongated cylinder. Now we draw small curves inside the elongated cylinder as I am doing, and this part is the sheath of the bacteriophage. Now a small hexagon shape in which one face of the hexagon will be behind the cylinder. So now I am marking points to draw the tail fibers. So guys, here a trick is to first mark the points and then join them into lines, because lines cannot be corrected if there is any mistake, but points can be done. So we can use this trick. And the same way I am drawing other tails too. Now let's complete the base of the diagram. Now to darken the tails, I am using sketch pen, because if I use pen it takes longer time. So as I used the pen to draw the entire diagram, I am using sketch pen. If you are using pencil to draw the entire diagram, you can use a HB pencil or a 8B drawing pencil. Now I am just darkening the diagram with light shading, so this would make the diagram look more neat and clean. So that's all guys. After naming the diagram, the drawing is done. And if you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in my next video.